Where did we go today, Mark? We were out and about as early as 7 in the morning on a Sunday. Went to church and then had breakfast at Cracker Barrel before we headed to the stores. And now we're on our way back, but there is a game at Gillette Stadium. There is a Pats game as early as 11:50, 11:30. There's a lot of people parked, slowly moving. After this stoplight, we're good to go. Our first stop was a Pottery Barn. And just to give you a background, I sold my dining table, so I need a new one. And this video is all about dining tables, so stick around till the end and find out what I got. But of course, I got distracted as always. Can't help it. These black and white accessories that catches my eye. Not to mention the sale tags, the sale labels.
Extends, and when you put the leaf in, it becomes an oval.
Oh, so this is extendable.
Yeah, so this is extendable. Most of the other ones or round ones I have are. There is one that we have the leaf in, so you can see what it looks like.
That's a little too big for my space, that one.
That one. So
Yeah.
this is what it looks like with it.
Is that the same?
No, it's a
this
different
is smaller.
table. It's about the same size when they're closed, but really, we just built this and put this out.
849.
From $16.99, yeah.
But you have to take it home.
We can always order you one. This is not going. This is literally a new addition to the collection, which is why I'm shocked that it's a Florida stamp this way now.
But if you order, it's going to
It'd
be
be the $16.99, yeah. That being said,
Yeah.
it does have drawers, right? That's cool, right?
Wow, it
On
could
both
be
sides.
a desk or your cutlery
Yep.
can go there.
That's
Oh,
the
not
leaf,
this
actually.
one. So if I take out the leaf, it'll be a round table.
It'll be round, yeah.
In one piece.
One piece, yeah.
That needs to fit my truck. Do you have the size if it's round?
Yeah. Without the leaf in it, it is 54 inches, and then
54.
with the leaf, it's 72. But as you can see, it just pops out
Right.
like that.
Oh my God.
Next stop was West Elm Outlets, which is around the area. And if you're lucky to have a West Elm outlet near you, well, I can tell you that they have a lot of options for good priced dining tables and chairs, bar stools. I really love their selections and the pricing. Unfortunately, most of what I like are sold and a little bit too big, or it's a matter of I like the base but I don't like the top. I like the top but I don't like the base. The main factor that is on my consideration is the shape of the top. I want an oval shaped top again. Why? Because it's a space saver. It looks like a space saver. In reality, it's the same size, right? But it helps with the visuals, especially in a small space like mine. I want to share these bar stools, counter stools that I saw, which are not as affordable, so they might be on my list for now. They're well made with classic lines and within the color scheme of my living and dining area. Next one. Next on my list. And then we went to Pottery Barn Outlet Store, which is also in the same shopping area, which is in Rentham. And I found the exact same dining table that was in the retail Pottery Barn store in this outlet store. And it seems like it's even more expensive to get it here. Take it home on your own, just like the one in the store. And that's one downside when you shop in the outlets. Shipping is not an option. You have to find your own shipper or you do it yourself. So this is the exact same table as the one in the store, the retail store. Just here. Half price. The one in the retail store is priced the same as the one in the outlet, just because that one was a display that you're supposed to get. Where are we going today, Marco? RH Outlet. Love this. I love this. The chairs. $395 and $1795. This is big. $2685. Trestle table. This one is also big. $2085. I love these. $385. I can get two. Shagreen. $2195. Originally $4395. Long for my space. And this is $4665. RH Outlet also has a lot of options, but as expected, they're mostly for bigger spaces. Not for me. 32.
Let's make it a little different.
Ooh, it's a green bar card. A plethora of display cabinets. They're not huge, but they're tall. These won't fit in my living area with our ceiling height. 2530. And the glass is the same price. Is 1012 on clearance. It's not true. 1000 23. Pwedeng dining kasing laki, pero ito maliit. Parang yung atin. 1465. Bigat to. Ito 19. Ito pwede. Yung size niya. $196. I'm also a little torn if I should go more traditional for the dining table in the same lines as this, although it is round and I don't like that top, or if I should stick with the old one, which is more of a contemporary postmodern shaped one. And that's what I love with Parisian modern aesthetics. I can mix and match traditional and contemporary, old and new, with furnitures and accessories. Last stop was at All Modern retail store. And guess what? They were having their Way Day up to 70% off on everything. So that goes with Wayfair, All Modern, Johnson Main, Perigold, and Birch Lane, which is one umbrella company. Pwede na rin to, pero online kasi $4.49.
Yan, oo. Hindi ko na.
Ha? 2 to 4 days delivery.
Kasi,
Oo naman. Meron isa pa. Mas maganda yung base. Pero parang ganito rin yung shape niya. Tingnan mo. Okay lang. Yan, try mo yun.
ayaw po ano.
Go for that. It's comfortable.
How are you folks doing over here?
We're good, thank you.
What do you think of that chair?
So, we're actually interested with the table.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that's a very well-priced table
I know.
and very popular for us.
So it's free delivery, $4.49
Yeah.
plus tax.
Let me just pull it up because I want to see the availability. Things are selling out quickly today. Yes, so it's free white glove delivery, which is wonderful because that means they bring it into your room of choice and set it up, assemble it for you, and then take away the box and all the wrappings. So it's ready to go.
Right. Okay. And it's available in 2 to 3 days. That's what.
Well, it depends on your zip code. So
Oh.
what zip code would you be? Yes, so actually, do you like the black color or do you want to consider any other color?
The black one.
So it is saying Wednesday, October 9th, which is Wednesday of this week for delivery.
Okay.
Now, the nice thing about the free white glove delivery is you do get a 30-day window to take that delivery. So if that Wednesday, the 9th, which is the first available, doesn't work for you, you can email back and say, that date doesn't work, could I have Saturday or have Friday or whatever, and pick a date within that window. Do that?
Awesome.
Yeah, great price.
Until when is the sale?
Today and tomorrow are the only days of the sale. So
Oh, and originally, how much is this?
this was originally $4.49 on sale for $3.89. It was originally
$7.99.
$7.99 on sale for $4.49. It's almost half off.
I've seen this before here. It was around 500. But we still have our dining table then. Now we need a new one. Okay. We'll do it?
You don't want to do any chairs? Anything else I can show you today or help with?
That's it.
All right, then we'll
Well, I haven't looked around, but yeah, let's do that.
Okay, then we can go over to the registers and I'll bring it up. And since we have some different delivery addresses in here, I've got wonderful. All right, so that, as I said, is going to be delivered right now on Wednesday, but if that date doesn't work, you'll get an email and you can request a different date. But I
Awesome.
unfortunately can't add anything into the order.
Okay.
All
Thank
right.
you so much.
You're very welcome. Enjoy.
Thanks. And that's it for now. I hope you like this video and do watch out for the next one. I'll be doing a reveal of the dining table and more. Thanks for watching. Remember, style is what you make or break. Love and light to all. Bye.